Hi everyone. So today, for our recipe that we're cooking, which we're talking, it's Thanksgiving, right? And Thanksgiving is coming up, so we're going to be in turkey overload, so to speak. I forgot one thing. Let me get in the refrigerator. I just realized it. We're talking about turkey. I forgot the most important thing: the turkey. Okay, so. I forgot the turkey. All right, so here's our blueprint, right? And today we are making Thanksgiving turkey treats. Okay, this could actually be a lunch. This could actually be, you can make this as an appetizer. Remember, today we talked about if you're invited to a party and you always ask to bring something, this might be a really easy thing for you to bring to the party. So we're going to construct that, and I'm going to show you that. But this can also be a lunch, if you want it to be a lunch, or it can even be like a quick little snack. All right, so our blueprint says what we need is cream cheese. We need tortillas, right? So here's the tortillas. This is our cream cheese right there. Our cream cheese. We're going to need turkey. We have our turkey. We have lettuce. Right there, there's our lettuce. And a carrot. Right? So this is our carrot from our race car one. Okay, our tools that we need are a knife, a dull knife it says, and a peeler. Okay? That's all we need. So all we're going to do, we're going to follow our steps. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the first step is right here. Spread cream cheese onto each tortilla. So first thing we got to do is we got to get our tortillas out of our package. So we just open those up really fast. Now, I have two types of tortillas, and I guess it all kind of comes down to what you have. This is a flour tortilla, and this is a corn-based tortilla. So, for this particular one, I'm going to use the flour tortilla because I only have one left in this package, and I kind of want to use it up. So, and it's a little bit bigger for demonstration purposes as well. Okay. Plus, I'm making this for my son, and so he probably won't eat the corn ones because he's that way. So, now, it said to spread our cream cheese onto our tortilla. Again, just so that for a reminder, I've already pre-washed my hands. Everything's already been pre-prepped. Okay, and like I said, when we're working in the food industry, we would have a mask, we would have a hair cover or a beard cover, so on and so forth. I'm all out of that stuff. Can't get it anywhere. So we're going to take the cream cheese. We just cut some off, and we just spread it out here. And cream cheese, it's pretty spreadable. I mean, the brick stuff is you want to let it sit out a little bit and let it soften. But you're just going to put a thin layer on it. I guess it kind of depends on whether you like cream cheese or not. Okay, I like cream cheese myself because it's only, that this whole brick of cream cheese is it's less than 1 gram of carbohydrates. So if I wanted to, because on the diet that I'm on, I could eat a whole brick of cream cheese. I could just sit there and eat a whole green. I wouldn't do that, but just saying, you could do that if you wanted to, if that's what you had. Okay, cream cheese is spread, as you can see. So I got a nice little thin layer of cream cheese on the tortilla shell. All right, now it says we're going to put turkey, and we're going to put our carrot, and we're going to put our lettuce on there. Okay, so I guess it really doesn't matter what order you put it on. right? And you don't have to put any of this on if you don't want. You can just do cream cheese and turkey if you choose to do that. You could do just lettuce and turkey. You don't even have to do the cream cheese. What it comes down to is choice. Like I tell you guys all have a choice in life, and you all have a choice about yourselves now, because you are all adults. And it's time for you to make these decisions on your own without looking to me or looking to your mom and dad or whomever that you want to look up to. There's nothing wrong with talking to them and working it through, but when we're talking about this type of stuff, you can do it, okay? That's part of growing up. So, on this particular one, okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the lettuce. So I've already pre-washed the lettuce. Remember, like I told you last time in previous ones, we always wash our lettuce because we never know. We want to make sure, and we dry it, and it's very dry, because the worst thing is having lettuce that's all wet and yucky. So I'm just going to put one there and one here. Okay, so that's real nice. Okay, oh look, it looks like a little heart. I didn't even plan that. If you look at it, see the heart? See, there's the one, and then there's the other one. It's a heart. See? And I did not plan that. And then we take our turkey. So we're going to open up our package of turkey, and this is our thin turkey, our deli turkey. We'll take that out. We're just going to take a bunch of it out, because I'm making these tonight for my kids' dinner. Not that I can eat it, but you know. So we take our thin turkey, and you're going to probably take maybe 3 or 4 slices. See how thin that is? Look at that, how thin that is. You can see right through it. Woo! All right, so we put it there. Put one there. I'm not going to be chintzy, and I'm going to put one there, and I'll do one more. I'll do one more very thin slice of turkey. It's kind of in the middle there. Okay. What the heck? I'll do one more. Why not? It's Thanksgiving. We're going to be in turkey overload. Remember, we've been talking about turkey overload. So people have all different sorts of recipes, and this is one way to use up turkey, if you didn't know that. All right, so we'll put away the turkey, the extra turkey meat. I'll put that away and get that out of our way. Our lettuce is okay. So now we're going to take our turkey, and here's where our peeler comes in. Because you can't plant a whole carrot here. It was like, whoa, big old carrot, and then look how big that thing is. You can't do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to peel it really nice. And this is very sharp. So whenever you peel it, you're going to peel away from yourselves, okay, so you don't cut yourselves. And see, we get a nice little strip of carrot, just like that. And we're going to lay it in there, okay. And you can get shredded carrot too if you want to do that. There's nothing wrong with using pre-done stuff. The whole premise of this is it's stuff that's just laying around your house. That's, if you don't have anything, like you say, you're not done making dinner, you don't have, you just kind of want to use what you have around your house. That's the whole point. Okay, so I've put some strips of carrot in there, right? And so that's what it looks like inside. I guess you guys can see that. Okay, so I've layered it. That's all I've done is layer it. So I've got the layer of the shell, the cream cheese, the lettuce, the turkey, the carrots. That's it. All right. Now, all we do is we get our shell here, and we're going to roll it. We're going to make it like a little, we're going to kind of tuck it, not tight, but firm. Okay. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, just like that, right? And then what we're going to do is Now you can eat it like this if you want to eat it like this. If you're going to use it as an appetizer, okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to trim off that part, you know. But the idea here is to get like a little pinwheel, just like that. Okay, and then you take that little, see, and then you see that? See the little pinwheel inside there? And so then you see all that goodness in there. So you see the lettuce, you see the carrot, you see the turkey, you see the cream cheese. And that's really cool. And then what you do is you put it on a nice pretty plate, right? Okay, I don't have pretty plates. Hold on. Let me go get a plate here. And you just need a small plate. You know, remember we talked about, oh, you just bring an appetizer or you bring a small dish. Right there, that's all you have to do. So about a half an inch is what you're looking at. And you just cut right through it. Okay? Real simple. You know, put it right there. Do another one. Okay, just like that. There's another one here. Look at that. Real simple, real simple. It's a real simple lunch. It's a real simple snack. It's a very simple appetizer. You know, remember I told you, when we do appetizers, we just want to do something that's easy and fun and portable. Well, that fits all those criteria, doesn't it? And then we'll just cut this part off. We'll leave that because we can still use that because, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. We don't get everything, but it's in there, you know. And then you can just put those off to the side, whatever. But as you can see, that is our turkey wrap treat. This is like a little snack, little appetizer, what have you. Now, I did it on a flour shell. You can do it on a corn shell as well. And we'll go ahead and we'll do a corn shell as well. And we'll do it, and I'm going to change it up, okay? So, you know, Mr. Simo won't eat that because it's got lettuce and it's got a carrot in it, okay? And so, I'll do this one on a corn shell. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, it's real simple, easy. And so in this case, you know, we're just going to take a little cream cheese and we'll spread it out here on the tortilla shell. Okay. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. And then we get our turkey again. Get our very thinly sliced turkey. And in this case, you know, this is a smaller shell, so we probably won't use near as much turkey on it. I'll go one more, just for good measure there. Okay, nice and pretty, see? And we'll roll it all up. And you can do it this way too. Now these are a lot smaller. Okay, that's kind of like a taquito there. Okay, and you know, and you don't even have to. If you don't want to cut them, you don't have to cut them. You can eat them just like that. I mean, what's the difference, right? If you're making it for yourself, you don't care. But if you're making it for someone else, then you know, then you do care. So take that off. And we'll make these a little bit thicker. We might make those about 3/4 of an inch. And you see, still we got the little pinwheel, and we can put that on the plate. Okay, just like that. Same thing, just not as colorful, kind of blah, like Mr. Simo is. He doesn't like color. You know, he sees lettuce, he sees orange, and he's like, oh, well, that's a vegetable. you know, he's 15. I take that back. He's 16 now. He just turned 16. He just turned 16. He needs to get a job. Okay. And then we'll just put that off to the side. And so there we go. There it is. So now you have two varieties of the turkey treat wrap. So it's all in what you want and what you feel like having. You can either have it with the carrots and the lettuce and the cream cheese, or you can have it with just the turkey and the cream cheese. It's all up to you, and it is your choice. So I hope you like that recipe. It's really simple, really easy. If you want to make a simple appetizer, here you go. If you want to make a simple snack for yourself, here you go. Or if you have someone over, you want to make something really quick, bang, bam. All right. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.